everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. Pass that side. Do well to join this beautiful family. All my returning, I'm loyal, I'm humble. I appreciate every one of you. May the good Lord bless you guys all. Please do well to give me thumbs up. My Facebook lover, you guys should try and follow me now. And follow me, okay? Try and follow me. My Facebook, try and follow me, please, okay? Today I bring Oba of Benin. I see this news from Mock News. This our brother, they make me dey laugh. First of all, let's watch him before we go straight.
Just come on and walk with yes, I just want to say. You get one song where we dey sing for church that year. Our pastor dey like sing that song. And the song with this. Power they pass power, amen. Jesus power na super. I go say, which kind of song with this one? Power they pass power, and now I don't know. But now I'm not going to sing her like power they pass power, amen. Government power na super. Since when the bombing come, you get one particular word where some people they talk. Oba not the good transfer. Oba not the good transfer. I say, that's okay. Since when Oba of Benin go Aso Rock, I dey look the internet for the past since on Friday, Saturday, Sunday come. Because I know they are lies, but I just spy there. I never see anybody way insult her. It's like when they get people who they feel they get power reach for the social media. If no another person go see Tinubu, since oh yeah, no, but don't kill us with insult. I say the big pass come try as the boss reach there, as he come outside. We see Tinubu and so Tinubu say, oh, I took me, you see there. As he boss out, and then they go to the house and say, he said they beg everybody, both here, do people who are sabi insult people online. So say walk with Tinubu. Say Tinubu is moving the car, he's walking, and everything is moving fine. He says, how am I gonna walk with yes, I just want to say about because the first time I read that time when you said later go. Not be small insult to them, won't kill me online. Well, don't talk. They say talk about I threaten you. I just have with you. As I see videos, so I say, okay, my plan get there. I see what you want to put. Just send your cabinet. They look there. Anyone will come and pee. We'll pick them out for anywhere.
President. Oba of Benin.
So you just had audience with the president. We would like to know what brought you to see the president.
Because he called to support, to show support for the administration.
Then what are your advice to Nigerians to support him?
Nigerians should support the president. He will work. He's already working. He has hit the ground running. Everybody's seen it.
What of other traditional rulers? What is your point to them?
To other traditional rulers, they should support the president, of course. We will support the president. Other traditional rulers will support the president. We must support the president to be successful.
Oba of Benin.
No be all Edo, no be all Edo. Just mention the particular people when they do all those things. Why me go they attack people? This thing, right from time they against them. Politics, party, you get the right to choose your own party. This is the party I love to choose, I love to join, I love to support. Other people can see that party, e no good. Then the one wey good for your eyes, you go support am. No be because they claim enmity just because I support this particular party, then you come dey get enemy around. And those people when they talk now, if they dig them, they don't know anything about party. They don't know anything about politics. They are just there. We the citizen of Nigeria, the innocent citizen of Nigeria, when the money, we not able to chop the money, or we just there. Now our country will be better. What cause they use it they chop ourselves? Now that one I don't understand. Insult people. Insult who reach to give birth to you. In fact, that time, some people don't even pray to give birth to some people, like some people that they insult. I don't really understand. As Oba of Benin really come outside, yes, they first still come outside, throw mouth. May we see them. May we see. They for real still come outside. As far as their mouth, they know how to talk. They for come and blast Oba of Benin now. May we see them. May we look. Who get paid for Facebook before you see the run come and say, my brother talk and say, hey, area. You for come outside, come dig area. May we dig. Okay, Oba of Benin now, wetin I wan talk now, say, eye dey see, blind dey hear, deaf dey see. Wetin Oba of Benin talk now? He say make everybody join hand, join this government, join this president to work so that things go good, so that things go stew for us. He say I dey see. He say the president dey work. Oba of Benin na talk am, no be me talk am. All the video I will put am there so that make una hear, make una play, make una know say na Naija Daughter don dey lie. Oba of Benin, elderly man. This man don first be ambassador before for Europe, and come still be Oba of Benin. Na he speak now say make his children, some of, no be all, when they insult this man, make they join hand together and work hand to hand so that things go stew for us. If this Oba no look this man like good person or person wey go work for Nigeria, I no believe say Oba go there go visit am. No be only Oba don visit am. A lot of people, important people for the world have visited this president. A lot of people. Start naming them by yourself. You know them. If you don't know them, leave am in the comment section so that I will do the full video for you. Important people in the world when don't visit this our new president. Our France when me dey, the news, France 24, carry on. The things when this our president don't do. Wetin never happen for our history of president. 6 president when we get our independence. Wetin never happen. The thing they happen. And people still dey there, still they calavante, they throw mouths. I not believe say when we dey social media, some things they when we dey do. When you see the person for physical, for normal ground, fear no let you insult, fear no let you talk, fear don't let you make, fear no even let you cough. If you jam tough people before, when there be politics, when they go show for your front, you'll say, oh baba, hey, you go dey dread. You go dey dread like this, say, people dey. But we'll just dey our camera, we'll just dey throw mouths. If the day where you dey fear no let you come on cough, cough. I get reason why they talk. When I not come for me, I get reason. You understand? For me, it's good as our Oba still talk and say, may we join hand to hand to make things work for Nigeria. May we join hand to hand. Anybody went near this man, when he not fair vote for this man, now the man can't carry us now talk, say he not win, he carry on. Okay. Now, many of them, man when talk go, man don't they talk, they come now. They don't they join hands together so that they will see say their country move forward. Their country, no good things come out from their country. Not be say they bribe them. They see things. Their eye can't open. Not be waiting they think. As Buhari, a lot of people believe in Buhari. Say, Buhari, time of soldier, I do a lot. Now, the man not do anything. The man old. The only thing when I say, I not support this our new president. I say he don't old. That which now when he young. But as he don't enter now, me not the look at now and say he don't too old. He don't they do things now. Because why they say he don't old? Because Buhari time make me short alive. Buhari time we look and say Buhari go do things. Buhari go do things. Soldier time. But old age, people come there around and they take things. That's why I say this man don't old. May they bring young person. But according to me, not the way they say he don't old now. I pray may God give him long life. The brain, the sense, the everything when you get towards Nigeria for the good part, may God let it work. Anybody when you go put sansan or when you go make am stop or when you go distract am, may God take those people far away from him. Because we can't wait our country to be better. We can't wait our country to develop. We can't wait mostly life, security. Those are the major things cities really need. Good roads, security, and a light. Those 3 things, and cater for our elderly, special children. Those things, those 5 things, it is very important for country. If our country can stand, that is our country still the third world, country. I can't wait to see our country actually they develop reach second world country, because we are the most popular black in the whole world. Make we not forget am. We big. Nigeria large. Nigeria is big. You understand? If Nigeria not too big, I no believe say things for the hard us like this, because we get it. Waiting God not a bless us. Now just brain leaders now we need. And God don't use one to bless us now. Tinubu. If you dey wish am death before I beg, be cold. S'il vous plaît. They pray for him. Me now, I dey put am on my prayer every day. God, may you give him long life. God, don't let any evil plan to work towards him, because we don't really know who gets Nigeria for mind. And if you dey out there, you get friend, you get anybody, just because you no support wetin you dey talk, you come dey keep mileage. You never wise. You never be that guy, that lady. You're not supposed to be like that. Yes, everybody get choice, and we should allow people to choose their choice. We should not force people for wetin they no want. No force food wey I no wan eat. No force am for my mouth just because of say I come dey fear your face. No force am. And I can't do my thing. You come say me, carry yourself, carry your mileage go. As our Oba of Benin don visit her now, make una throw mouth, make we dey see, make we dey see una. My people, I don tell una wetin I got to talk. I meet you in my next video. Please, my Facebook, please follow me. I'm begging, okay? Give this video massive thumbs up and pray for our president so that good things will keep coming. As good things they keep coming, as our Oba of Benin talking, I pray make good things keep coming. Yeah, I meet you in my next video.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the